Okay, so these are my animals. This is my dog named Rowan, and he's just sleeping. He's a boy, his name's Rowan. Cavalier King Charles, and this one's a Cavalier King Charles too, but her name is Raina. And then we've got Kimmy right here, this cat named Kimmy, little Kimmy, that's what we call him. And then I've got two other cats. One is hard to find, but this cat's always sleeping. This cat is named Leah. Hi Leah. Nice cat. He won't bite me though. And then we've got Poe. His name's Poe, and he's very hard to find. Like, you just don't know where he's gonna be at all times, and he always tries to run away from people. So let me try and find him. I don't know where he is. I actually can't find him, but yeah.